Hi, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Dave in the Kitchen. And today I'd like to show you how I made this nice, delicious, easy Oreo pie. Very simple, with a little chocolate chips on top. Anyways, follow along with me and I'll show you how I made it. What you want to do, you want to take a fork and you just want to stab whole. Okay, we're going to place this into the oven. Let this bake for a minute. Okay, while our pie is baking in the oven, or pie shell, we're going to start on the filling. We're going to need a box of Oreo pudding mix. Don't need this over here. Okay. We'll turn this on. Okay, we're gonna put our pie filling in here. Okay, you wanna Here we're making some heavy whipping cream. All you need is a cup of heavy whipping cream, a tablespoon of sugar, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and you want to turn this on. We're going to put a little bit of whipped cream on top of this. We want to kind of smear it. Take a look at that. Look at that delicious pie there. That is an Oreo pie. Homemade. Actually, it's an easy pie to make. But anyways, we're going to take us cut it a slice and take a taste on this. Cut us a piece of this pie here. Oreo pie here. I'm having a hard time trying to get a spoon on here. Okay, that'd be about good enough. Oh my god. That is delicious. That is so good. Anyway, I want to thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you do subscribe to my channel, hit that bell so you don't miss an episode of my videos. And y'all have a wonderful day.